In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play song in Discord voice chat. If you want to listen to music together with people in your Discord server, this is a simple way to do it using a music bot. I'll walk you through the full process from opening Discord to adding a music bot to starting playback inside a voice chat. Just follow along carefully, and you should have it working in only a few minutes. Start by opening the Discord app. Make sure you're signed in to the account that has permission to add apps or bots to a server. If you don't have the right permissions, you may not be able to complete the setup, so that's something to keep in mind before you begin. Once Discord is open, go to the server where you want the music to play. Open that server so you're viewing its main channels and menu options. Since music bots need to be added to a specific server, it's important that you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, click on the server name near the top of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From there, choose App Directory. The app directory is where Discord shows apps and bots that can be added to your server. It's the easiest place to browse supported tools directly inside Discord. When the app directory opens, go to the search bar and type in music. This will bring up a list of bots and apps that support music playback. You'll usually see several choices here, so take a moment to look through the available options. Different bots may have slightly different features, but for the purpose of this setup, you can choose any of the supported music bots shown in the list. After that, select the bot you want to use, open its page, and then click Add App. Discord will then ask you to choose the server where you want to install it. Select your server, and then continue through the authorization process. You may need to review permissions before approving. This is normal, since the bot needs access to join voice channels and respond to commands in your server. Once the bot has been added and authorized, go back to your server. At this point, the setup is mostly done, and now you're ready to use the bot for music playback. Open a voice chat in your server by joining the voice channel where you want the music to play. This is important because the bot typically plays audio into the voice channel you're using. If no one is in the channel, some bots may not start right away, so it helps to make sure you're already connected. After joining the voice chat, go to the voice chat message area or the text channel connected to that voice session, depending on how your server is set up. This is where you'll enter the bot command. In the message box, type /play, then add a space, then type the title of the music you want to hear. After that, press enter. Discord should show the command as a /command, and the bot will begin processing your request. In many cases, it will search for the track and start playing it directly in the voice chat. If everything was set up correctly, the song should now be playing in your Discord voice channel. That's all it takes to play music in voice chat using a Discord bot. If it doesn't start immediately, give it a few seconds, since some bots take a moment to join the channel and load the track. Also, make sure the bot has permission to access the server and the voice channel. If needed, try the command again with a clearer song title. And that's how to play a song in Discord voice chat.